I'm ashamed to admit it, but I have never updated my Entune system. But that's going to change today. Welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel, everybody, where we feed your addiction for everything Tacoma related. So go ahead and subscribe now so you're up to date on everything Tacoma related. You guys know I love my Tacoma, but one thing I have never done, like I said in the intro, is I've never updated the Entune system. Why?
It's that I just don't care.
But it does occur to me that some of you do use your Entune all the time, with or without the navigation, and if you are having issues with it and say you are out of warranty, Toyota might charge you between $60 and $120 to update that for you, which they are literally putting a file on a flash drive into your truck. So there is a link in the description below where the file is. Big thanks to icetreye with an extra E on it on Tacomaworld, who found this file and put it in a Dropbox so you can download. So take the file from the link on the Dropbox below, put it on your computer, then put it on any regular flash drive, and you are good to go. I'll show you how to update the Entune system for free in just a second. Alright guys, got my truck on. The engine's not on, just the key in the on position. I run with the background image right here. If you do the same thing, just hit the home button here. Then the settings icon in the top right corner. Then you're going to hit general right here on the left. And scan down a few clicks. You'll come here, it says software update. So I have the file that's supposed to update the Entune system right here on the flash drive. I have not inserted that yet. I'm going to go ahead and hit this and see what it says. It says update and update history. So my current version is 010185. And a bunch of stuff I don't really know. I'm going to try the update history too. Yeah, see, no update history. I've never updated this. I know there's like a glare on the screen. Apologies for that. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the flash drive and see what happens. Again, if you've never done this, you just put it right in the USB slot right here, just south of your control knobs. Alright, I've got the USB drive in now. I didn't see this before, but it has update software right here on the bottom. I am hoping it's because it recognized that file on the flash drive. Go ahead and hit that. It says the new software is 80.1 megabytes. Would you like to start software update? Yes, I would. Alright, it's installing the new software. That's a good sign. Please keep the media inserted and do not turn off the engine. Well, my engine's not on, but I had no plans of ripping the USB flash drive out, but there's the warning just in case. I'm sure this is going to take a little while because there's like a little status bar. It looks like it's about 5-10% done, so I will go ahead and fast forward all that so you don't have to watch that boring footage. It is grabbing the file off the USB. You can see it flashing right there, letting me know it's working. Alright, here we are at the end status bar, almost there. I want to say probably about 5 minutes, maybe 4 or 5 minutes real time has passed, so not too bad. Curious to see what the screen is going to show when it's done, which should be any second now. The software is ready for updating. Please park your car at a safe location and turn the engine off to complete the update. So again, my engine's already off. I'm parked at my house. I'll just go ahead and turn the truck completely off. Let it sit for a second and turn it back into the on position and go back to that same screen and see what new info I have on there. And I didn't get like a prompt trying to use any feature on my Entune or stereo system that said you need to update, but it's always good to have these things up to date just in case. And like I mentioned, I usually don't use any of the features of Entune anyway. Alright, back in the on position. Cycle through all my startup screens here. Come on. Yeah. Okay, go into settings again, general, tab down a few times, and software update. Alright, so I hit update history, which before, if I showed you guys, this was completely empty. Now it says update item audio, new 01019C, whatever that means. And then it's got today's date, August 7th, 2019, so that's progress. It logged it. I'm going to hit update again. And everything looks up to date, I suppose. The update software tab down here is no longer selectable, so I would assume it is as up to date as it can be. Here are the numbers, if any of you guys can tell me if you can see those. Hard number up here, audio, audio system, and display module. So I'm assuming now everything is up to date on my Entune system. Again, I never got like a warning message saying I needed to update it or anything like that. But there it is, nice and easy for any of you having problems updating your Entune. Alright everybody, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching. Please comment below, let me know if the video helped with the little flash drive file if you were experiencing issues with your Entune or navigation system. As always, thank you so much for stopping by. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video.